So I'm filling up the tank, as you can see. And got the 10-meter clamp on there, and that's the pile of junk that's going to be heating this up. So I'll come back to this as soon as this is filled up. Okay, so let's test this. We got about 76 degrees. Let's check the outside real quick. 76. So average is 76 degrees. It actually feels a little cooler than that, but all I really want to do is measure the change and see if I can get these elements to heat the water a little, but not too much. Okay, so most likely this is going to be a quick test. I don't really know. First time I've done it. Again, this is the power supply. It's 53 volts, 54 volts. 53 when it gets through that diode that's right there. And then here's my tank of water. It's about probably 9 gallons in a 10-gallon barrel. And there's heating elements all the way around the barrel in parallel. They end up providing about 1.6 ohms of resistance for my 53 ohm power supply, and draws about 33 amps when it's not in water. So I don't know what it's going to be like now, and that's what we're going to look at. So here it goes. Let's see if I can do this without explosions. Okay, so we've got some power. I'm drawing some amps, and the tank is doing its thing. Okay, so I don't know how fast this water will warm up. But this is the longest test. See, I'm drawing 32 amps. This is the longest test that I've run on this so far. Water's not warm yet, so that's good. It means I can run a test for a while. Alright. 52.5 volts. I don't really know if this meter is that accurate. It's kind of a junky one. My Fluke battery died for the moment. But let's see. There's volts. That's probably about right. And my amp meter isn't quite right. I gotta tweak that. But I can do that right now. So my water says it's up to 70, 80 degrees. 80 degrees. This is pretty good. I mean, it's been running a while now. So it's only gone up about 4 degrees. It's not really warm. Sides of the tank are cool around the elements. But you can see, if you look close enough, you can see the heat around the elements in the water. So obviously that's working. Kind of cool. So bizarre looking way to put a test load on it. Okay, so I'll come back to this in a minute. Okay, so it's been about 5 minutes. And I can feel the heat on the side of the tank, but it's just barely warm. Water's slowly coming up. 82, 83 degrees. 83. Average is 83. See if I can get a temp on the heating element, but probably not through that much water. pretty cool. It's a pretty neat way to test this. This is different, that's for sure. Still got good voltage. And amps are 32 amps. So it's drawing good. Nothing's hot. Power supplies are cool. I mean, I can tell you how cool they are. 86 degrees. This one's been a little bit warmer than the other ones, but it's showing 80 or 70, 80 degrees. About 80 degrees. 72 on the thermistors, because they shouldn't be warm at all. Okay, these are a little warm, but not much. There's a heat sink below them. Those are relays. And then that's the filter. That's the shunt. It's nice and cool. So I don't see anything getting hot. That's good. Nothing there. Cool. Let's check the water one more time. 86 degrees. That's a long test, and that's longer than I'll be testing. So I'd say this works. It's cool. I'm shutting it off. And it's off. That's it for my test.